today, Papa?
I don't know. We're back here at Fraser Way, picking up the truck camper. We got the truck ready yesterday to actually go pick up the truck camper. So the process of getting that ready was, so we put on the tie down bars all around, so there's 4 of them. We engage the stable loads right here. So they're actually engaged between the 2 leaves. There's 4 of those. And most importantly is we took off the tailgate. Hello everyone, I'm Christian.
And I'm Tracy, and we are Tumbleweed RV Life.
We decided to live our dream today and are transitioning from Acreage Life to RV Life. So today we're here with Dave at Fraser Way RV. He's going to do our walkthrough. After that, we're actually going to take it home and we'll give you our impressions of how the truck and camper handles.
Okay. Remote controls. We have a remote control for the television.
Yeah.
And this is operating just on the antenna. The antenna is on the roof, and it's a fixed antenna. You don't crank them up anymore. And
I saw that. It's like a dish. Eh?
It's
It's
very,
circular.
yeah. And you can see what we pick up even in here, which is good. Okay.
Yeah.
Your DVD and radio player is here with a remote control, and again, we have a brochure for you on that.
Okay.
Microwaves, convection microwave is a convection microwave. So if you're plugged in, which this one is, it went onto auto, you know it's on. If you're not plugged in, it'll look for gas. And if it can't find gas or power, the light will flash here. Now, you have one adjustment in here. Sliding this up makes it colder.
Okay.
Sliding it down, warmer.
Okay.
Now, you know, there's a big difference. If you're parked, and this is on the sunny side, it's not quite as efficient as it is if it's in the shade. So you may have to adjust that the odd day.
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
Yes, that does make sense.
I know the bed's not that bad.
It doesn't feel bad. I thought it was going to be like,
No.
right?
Yeah, no, they put it in as it
It's
is.
not bad.
Okay, so one is...
Blackout.
Blackout, and one is
What is
Screen?
Screen.
Oh, I love it.
I love it because we're going to need air. And there's the blackout. Yep.
That's nice.
Yeah, it is nice. Very nice. All right, the shower that you can actually use. You see that? That's a mess. Right. You want to make sure that this thing is closed when you drive. And you'll hear it click.
Okay.
It's locked, otherwise it'll do this all the way down the highway, and that's not a good thing. Okay. There is a lock here for locking when it's closed.
Okay.
And the shower curtain, obviously.
Hi.
Hi.
Honey, you had a shower this morning. You don't need one now. So, as we're doing the walkthrough of the camper, what do you think is the most important accessory that you need for a truck camper? Put it in the comments below.
In the meantime, hang around because at the end we're going to show you what we ended up purchasing today as what we felt were kind of the essential accessories. So stay tuned.
Works like they always have.
Yeah.
It's a pressure system. You open up your tap, the pump will start automatically.
Okay.
Close the tap, pressure builds up, it'll stop. I never travel with my pump on, just
No.
in case there's a problem. Okay. Water heater. Entry light.
Okay.
Porch light is out here.
Okay.
You don't start it, just
Okay.
what you got to do is prime it first. I had it running before you got it. Okay,
Okay.
it's priming now.
Yeah.
Every once in a while, use it.
Yeah.
Use it. Put some load on it.
Yeah.
Put some load on it and make it work a little bit.
Mhm.
You have 3 slides. And confined spaces in here, so you got to really be careful that there isn't something in the way of your slide, because the slide will win. It'll take a door off a cabinet, or move a cabinet, or move a wall. It should be a two-people thing. Like, for example, we have a rule: we have one person inside and one person outside. One operating the switch and somebody outside watching the slide. If something's wrong out there, just a tap on the wall, you let go of the button and it stops.
Makes sense.
It's just something that we do, my wife and I.
Yep.
If it's raining, she goes outside. If it's nice, I go outside. You don't believe that for a minute?
No, I don't.
Okay. Your awning, you have no excuse to not bring it in. Wind and awning are dangerous.
Yes.
You'll flip it right over top of the roof and you do a lot of damage.
Press the two buttons together. Okay. Activates the remote. Get a green light. Okay. Press the top two buttons. Yeah. Just for a second. Activates the controller inside. Okay.
Master all four?
All four. And up they go. So while I'm doing this, I wander around.
There we go, and they're locked up. So we bought a few accessories. We've got the Anderson wedges. Basically, these are leveling and chucks. Great product. They can't break. We also got a power surge protector. Definitely worth the investment. A little pricey, but definitely worth it to safeguard the inside of all the electrical. An exterior water filter. You never know what kind of water quality that you can get, and this way it's not no crud is going into your fresh tank. Okay, so now we also have the Dominator sewer hose. The reason why we didn't go with Rhino is because the end connector does not come off on the Rhino, and we actually have to slide it in this tube. So this was really the only solution in our case. And a water pressure regulator, definitely, hand in hand with a surge protector, just a different kind of surge. And of course, every RV needs a nice blanket. So this is a 9x12, very good quality. We're very happy with it.
Very nice carpet.
Okay, so just a few things you need to think about when you buy an RV. There's always extra expenses.
So we've attached the outside camera, and as you can see and hear, you can actually hear everything that's going on outside as well, which is really cool. I didn't know that happens.
Well, the ride home was exceptionally comfortable. I thought, and it was quite windy, and I thought we would have got a little bit more rocking and rolling, but the truck was very stable. It's such a nice ride now that there's actually weight in the back of it. It was quite a rough ride on the way to pick up the truck camper. The control is amazing. There is almost no swaying when you take a curve. We're really impressed, and we're looking forward to taking our first trip with the camper and truck. Well, we hope you liked the video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up.
And while you're there, hit the subscribe button with our picture.
Consider sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Consider going shopping on Amazon using our link. It really helps us, and there's no additional cost to you. We'll catch you on the next one.